Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys, how can we adjust volumes in our Infinix phone device and then how can we use guys Infinix phone all volume setting guys. Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel. So friends, now let's see how can we use all volume setting. Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting. First click on phone sound and vibration tab here. Friends, you can see all volume. First, media volume. Second, call. Third, alarm. Fourth, ringtone. And five is notification ringtone. So you can adjust from here, guys. You want to increase, guys. You can decrease. You can increase, decrease from guys your media volume. You can customize. Call volume, guys. You can adjust from here. Alarm volume, guys. You can adjust. Ringtone volume. You can adjust. Notification volume. You can adjust from here, guys. So like that guys, you can increase, decrease guys your all volume setting in your Infinix phone device according to yourself. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends have understood how to adjust all volume in Infinix phone device. So bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video guys.